Ever wondered if even the most secure fortress has a tiny, hidden crack? We often hear about the impenetrable security and robust features of hardware wallets like the ELLIPAL, and for good reason. They offer a critical layer of protection for your digital assets. But in a world where nothing is truly perfect, it's fair to ask, what are the potential downsides, the less talked about aspects, of using an ELLIPAL? We're about to dive deep into the cons of the ELLIPAL hardware wallet. It's not about discrediting a solid product, but rather providing a balanced perspective, empowering you with a comprehensive understanding before you make a decision about your crypto security. Because while security is paramount, user experience, flexibility, and even the learning curve play significant roles in how effectively you manage your digital wealth. One of the first points to consider is the price point. Compared to some other popular hardware wallets on the market, the ELLIPAL can be a bit more expensive. While the argument can be made that you're paying for a premium air-gapped security experience for individuals just starting their crypto journey or those with smaller portfolios, the initial outlay might feel substantial. This higher cost could be a barrier to entry, pushing some users towards less secure, but cheaper, alternatives. Next up, let's talk about the user interface and overall user experience. While the ELLIPAL boasts a sleek design and a touchscreen, some users have reported that the interface can be less intuitive than competitors. Navigating through menus, setting up new coins, or even performing transactions might require a steeper learning curve, especially for those who are not tech-savvy. This isn't a deal-breaker, but it does mean dedicating more time to understanding the device before you feel fully comfortable and confident using it. For some, simplicity is key, and the ELLIPAL, with its robust feature set, can sometimes feel a little overwhelming. Another noteworthy aspect is the limited coin support compared to some competitors. While ELLIPAL supports a wide range of major cryptocurrencies and tokens, it might not offer as extensive a selection as some other hardware wallets, especially when it comes to newer or more niche altcoins. If your portfolio includes a diverse array of less common digital assets, you might find yourself needing to use multiple wallets or relying on software wallets for some of your holdings, which somewhat defeats the purpose of consolidating your assets on a secure hardware device. Always double-check their supported coin list against your specific needs. Then there's the reliance on the companion mobile app. While the air-gapped nature of the ELLIPAL itself is a major security advantage, all transaction signing and broadcasting happens via its mobile application. This means you're essentially tethered to your smartphone for most operations. If your phone is lost, damaged, or compromised, while your funds on the ELLIPAL remain secure, the convenience of managing them is significantly impacted. Furthermore, updates to the app and its compatibility with various phone operating systems are factors to consider. And any bugs or glitches in the app can directly affect your ability to use the ELLIPAL seamlessly. Finally, consider the lack of direct desktop connectivity. Unlike some hardware wallets that offer both mobile app and desktop application integration, the ELLIPAL operates exclusively through its mobile app for transaction broadcasting. For users who prefer managing their crypto from a desktop environment or who have unreliable mobile internet access, this can be a minor inconvenience. While the air-gapped nature is maintained, the reliance solely on the mobile platform might not suit every user's workflow or preference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.